House, thank you for joining us.
Oh, my pleasure.
I understand that you're a clinical psychologist. What would you say your role was?
Yes, my job is to assess and diagnose a client's psychological disorder.
Okay, what do you mean by a psychological disorder?
Mental health problems, which includes depression, anxiety, and challenging behavior. In general, a disorder or syndrome that affects the everyday life of an individual.
Okay, so if people need your help, where could they find professionals like you?
We are normally employed by the NHS in a variety of settings, such as hospitals, schools, and health centres. But some of us do private practice also.
Okay, what challenges do you find in these settings?
Well, sometimes the clients can be physically and mentally draining. Like with most other jobs, the paperwork can be very time consuming, particularly if correspondence with or from other professionals is slow. There are many who do not give clinical psychology the credit which it deserves, which can sometimes make my job very difficult.
Yes, I can imagine. What impact does your job have on the environment around you?
It gives us the opportunity to help vulnerable members of the community who may struggle with their everyday life. By providing the service, we positively promote the well-being and inclusion for individuals and families. It's very rewarding to see the gradual improvement of clients over time. For example, Claire here, who I have been treating over the past year for OCD. Before our session started, Claire found it difficult to travel on public transport for fear of being coughed on, which would lead to severe contamination of her clothes and skin. This led to Claire excessively attempting to clean herself and her clothes with harmful products.
Hi Claire, thank you for joining us. Could you tell me how the sessions with Dr. House has benefited you?
I'm now able to travel on public transport for short distances and not feel the immediate need to scrub my skin clean. I'm really happy that my doctor referred me to a clinical psychologist, as without Dr. House's help, I would be in hospital with severe physical health needs, as I occasionally burn my skin with harmful chemicals in the process of cleaning myself. Thank you for this service, and I will recommend clinical psychology to others who are struggling with the problem.
Lead to severe contamination of her clothes and skin. This leads to Claire excessively attempting to clean herself and her clothes with harmful products.
Claire, how have the sessions with Dr. House benefited you?
I'm now able to travel on public